Text, Jake, future leader. A young man speaks on screen. Text, built to rise, ugb.edu/rise, along with a phoenix logo and photo of a bronze phoenix sculpture. Scenes of Jake walking on campus, meeting with his academic advisor in her office, and Jake at his college graduation.
I'm Jake, and I'm built to rise. I definitely faced challenges throughout my freshman year. There was a lot of grief going on. My grandpa passed away, and my grandma got cancer. It was hard for me to stay focused for classes and to build up my GPA, because at that time it dropped. I was thinking about dropping out, and then I talked to my academic advisor, and she kind of was that guiding light, and she was like, "You can do this." That was when I transitioned into the organizational leadership major. I came in the campus as wanting to be an athletic trainer to help heal athletes, but I came out as being a future leader as well as a healer, not only for athletes, but for the whole community.
A bronze phoenix sculpture with its wings spread against a blue sky and white clouds. Animated text appears, University of Wisconsin Green Bay, ugb.edu/rise, and a phoenix logo.